Good morning, YouTubers. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and this is the Clay Way. If you got a question for me, you can reach out to me on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on Facebook, and I'll certainly try to answer it. Can't help you with your baby mama drama, but I certainly can help you with your automotive needs. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, click the notification, share my videos, all that jazz. Love all the great comments you guys send me all the time, and remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. So today we're removing the rear seat out of a 2003 Dodge Ram. I think this is going to be pretty common up till 2009. It's pretty simple stuff. You're going to fold the seat up, and you're going to have a bunch of 18mm screws. One down back in there, and then they're going to have some right there, and then right there at the back of the seat belt retainer, and then one over there in the corner where Jeff is pointing to. Two of them over there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to be able to lift up on the seat and lift it off the tracks just like Jeff did over there. Pretty simple stuff. And then we're going to remove it, and we're going to be installing that seat right there, a full bench from this 60/40 split.
You got to take this anchor out too.
Now there's an anchor underneath there.
There's a way.
Maybe. That we may have to remove. We'll get back to you in 1 second with that information. So we're going to remove this, and Jeff's going to push that in with his knife or a flathead screwdriver, whatever, and then you should be able to remove it just like it was a seatbelt. Just as a little tip to help you remove these easier, fold the front seat forward down a little bit. Obviously we got it taken off, and then that kicks it up, and then that kicks it out, just like that. So with this one, if you're using these, and then that'll kick that out of its place, and you can remove them. And if you notice, there's brackets on the back of it that slides down inside the channels there where Jeff is pointing to. So that's how you remove the rear. I'm sure you guys did a great job, just like Jeff and I did, getting this thing out of here. We're going to do a little bit of cleaning underneath here, vacuuming it up. We got some broken glass down here. But if the video was so helpful, please subscribe, click the notifications. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them. Be the first to you. God bless, and have a great day.